Ibuki air enhancer and air purifier. Got it off Wayfair. Paid about 77 bucks, close to 80. It was a sale. It might still be up there. It might not. You know, the thing with Wayfair, things sell out and sometimes they don't return. A giant thank you card. I don't know what this is just yet. This is some warranty information. So this is the air purifier. I just need something simple and not an air purifier that costs, you know, $300 or costs more than an AC. If you know, not careful. This one hand operation stuff. Hold on. Instruction booklet. I probably gonna need that. As far as the okay. Yeah, you could put oils in this too. I'm trying to figure out how you do that. I'm assuming that has something to do with the oil. Maybe this is an absorbent cloth. And don't pay me no mind, I'm putting this in wrong. Okay, yeah. I don't know how often you got to change these filters and how you order them. I ain't see no suggestions on Wayfair at the time. I'll set this up and we'll see how it works. So there's a filter in here clearly. Almost overlooked that. Had to take it out, the plastic over there. So this is it. This is the base for it. Now, what I'm seeing here, put it upside down. I'm just gonna put it away. Okay. Carefully put that in there. You match the grooves. And locks into place. Hold on. Yes, I gotta look at the manual. I gotta figure out what this aromatherapy box is. I'm assuming that's the filter pad. Yes. Yep, okay. Pretty common sense here. Your padding. I'm going to plug it up. See how this sounds. Okay, that's an indication that is off. 3 speeds. I do feel the breeze. Like most things, that's just like one button. The one button controls everything. Keep pressing power for the speed. 3 feels like a low fan now. Okay, so you hold it down for about 3 to 5 seconds to shut down. And I believe that's about it. I don't see nothing about, as of yet, to replacing the filter. Yeah, I don't see it on here yet. I'm pretty sure it's not hard to replace. The beauty of online shopping, right? Well, this is the Ibuki air filter off Wayfair. This is my impressions.